we talked about two size material with different textures. In this project, when I move these views, you can see we have the different textures in the one material. And I reset it to a default material. And now I create the new material and change the name m_face. And now I open it. The next thing, I will drag the two texture into here. I hold on Controls and space, and we drag two texture into here, and I adjust the right position. Next, I need to add linear interpolate. And connect this node and connect to base color. And now we have a material, and I change this preview. And next I need to select this one and check to sign. And the next one, I need to add the two sign. And I connect to alpha. Yeah, you can see we have the different texture in one material. But here you can see have something problem. I need to add the saturate and connect it and connect to alpha. Yeah, you can see it fits it. Yeah, we make it, we apply it and close it. Adjust to this plane, and now you have a material with two different size textures. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.